Hey guys, it's Alex from 4C Trading, and elections are ending today, so we will see what happens to the markets. But also, if you haven't catch our last night's stream, we talked about Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we actually talked about that Ethereum would turn out to be better short than Bitcoin short term, and actually did. Ethereum did give us quite a nice drop on when that short came. Bitcoin went all the way up, almost to the new high before breaking down. So I do think that Ethereum wise, it ended up much better, right? But today, it is still election day, so be careful, guys. And we came out with JFI BTC, and JFI right now can even be traded in USDT contracts. It looks pretty much the same on BTC and USDT contracts. And for once, I didn't plan that I would be making this second video so quick, because I do know that we already traded JFI when it was around up here. And we didn't think it's going to drop so fast, right? We are almost at the last defense point for JFI. And this is basically when you have these coins that go up so rapidly, right? Then they go so rapidly, as you can see, right? It was almost crazy what happened on this coin, almost 1,000%. They also withdraw back down. Same, imagine like where we checked back in the day where we checked band and all of those, right? Band went up for 1,500% and we drawn down as well, right? And this is the same case for JFI. When coins go up too fast, they almost come down, if not even faster, right? But now we are approaching the last defense points on JFI, and this defense point has to be held. Like, if we want to do anything with this coin, it has to be held for sure, because under this defense point there's pretty much nothing to do with this coin anymore, right? Until it's gonna show us an early signs of reversal, right? And once it goes under there, it's a really questionable when it's gonna turn around, because essentially it can go all the way down to like 0.01 Bitcoin, right? For all that we know, we just don't know where it's gonna turn around. So yes, so we now are going to present you the last possible trade on this coin, the last legit, price action sort of trade. And yes, stop in this case is a little bit massive. It is 25%, but also remember that we are going to be targeting the previous area that we sort of traded on, because that is the main area that we have to break for us to get that good money from, right? I mean, to us to get that bullish confirmation. That's what I'm trying to say, right? So yes, this is sort of the area, and again, I'm gonna not only tag this area by line, I'm gonna use actual box at it, because this is a little bit of a thick one. But as you can see, the area, or all the way up to the area, we got 117%, right? And I'm gonna say this is not my first profit target. My first profit target actually gonna be located down here, where we created the most recent price action structure. And as you can see, even down here, it is 58%, right? Or 2.3 R, which is still pretty much amazing TP, right? I mean, even though the stop is fat, the trade is could end up being a lot, worthwhile, right? At least worth our while, right? And then the second TP, now we already stated 117 or 4.6 R, or if you go all the way to the top, it can be 155% or 6.16 R. And this is where our story gets interesting, right? Because there are two possible scenarios. You reject this shit and you go test all the way here, and then you wait if this is gonna hold, it's gonna moon, or it's gonna die, right? It's either that's one of the scenarios. But the most bullish scenario in this case would be, you go up here, you actually go a little bit sideways, you break the area, and then this becomes your really, really strong long spot. We longed this spot once before, and this is now where we would absolutely long it again, right? Even though we got wrecked the first time, you have to be taking it again, right? You have to be taking it absolutely again, because it is one of those positions where you're gonna get a healthy reaction once you break it all the way to the top. And this is how usually price action forms for you, right? So yeah, that would be so far for this coin the only possible opportunity that I'm seeing. I'm not seeing anything else at it right now. But then I would like to tell you guys to please subscribe to our channel, right? Like the video, punch that notification button so that you get this video on your front screen. And we do them every day except on Sunday. Also, join us on our free 4C news channel, where we also, discuss Bitcoin analysis, Ethereum analysis, discuss stop losses or profit takes movements, and also post the videos and all that merry stuff, right? We all do that there. So yes guys, and this would be all for today, and hopefully I will be seeing you next time.